For today's nutrition tip, remember that you can get a great energy boost right from a smoothie. So today we're going to make a smoothie and we're going to incorporate all 6 essential nutrients. We've got carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. We are going to use some yogurt. I have some vanilla flavored protein powder, spinach, and we have 4 different types of fruit.
It's fantastic.
For a totally different taste, we can do the same thing but using peanut butter and banana. So we're still including all 6 essential nutrients, but instead of the other fruit, we're going to use just a banana. So we've got carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. So we've got ice and milk. Throw in a little bit of spinach. I wouldn't go too heavy on the spinach or kale greens in this type of smoothie. Got our banana, and this is just under 2 tablespoons, just about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. This is so delicious. I really don't know which one I like better, and I think that's what's great is you could choose. Make one day, one another day.